episode 2 for Mighty Will channel. Theme song. Mighty Will, time for the Mighty Will channel. Hey! It's shiny a cool little theme song. So I don't care. So anyways, today we're in informationlessness. We're learning about amazing things of our systems. The first thing, let's talk about the respiratory system. Respiratory. How beautiful you are. Thanks, respiratory system, for allowing me to breathe. Converting oxygen to carbon. No, it's taking in oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Mostly breathing. So, as you know, this looks like a simple system. You know, all you do is breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe out. It's kind of constantly what we do all the time. And there's no interaction besides the obvious cardiovascular system, which is one of the most known interaction, exchanging blood carbon dioxide to oxygen, swinging around the body to cellular respiration. What about the other ones? You know, the brain, the lymphatic system, the immunity, the urine, the urinary system, urinary. Sorry. So anyway, let's see. What about the other system? Let's find out. It's number 1, the brain. The brain is amazing because it allows us to think, and everything else we do with the body. Like I'm doing this makes the thank you brain for allowing me to do it. Thank you. I love you. I love you a lot. So anyway, what about the first interaction? Well, the brain helps the lungs, pretty much respiratory system, to detect what's around. For SARS, once we breathe in, we don't know what exactly. I mean, there's air here, but I don't even know what's in there. I mean, it could be nitrogen. I mean, halogen. It's a chlorine. Other gases that can just potentially kill me. Biochemical stuff. How do we know what's really out there? Well, thank you for the brain. There's receptors up in the nose canal, up right here, nasal canal. Which thank you very much. It's there. Not down here, which means it's stuck there. We could easily die. So anyways, so pretty much when we breathe in, first goes to our nose, then goes up to the nasal canal. There is where we receive the first receptors. Thank you, brain. This is where it reacts with some of the chemicals in the air, detects what's in it, gives you the smell. That's what we know as smell. Because actually smell technically does not exist. It's just our reactions in our nose to tell us what it is. So thank you very much, reactions, to determine what the heck to smell. Because of those smells, we can easily tell what's rotten, what smells bad, what's good for us. And also, it's where the cooks. Thank you very much for the cooks. Because if it wasn't for their whiffing the gas of the food we're making, we would not know what we were serving. And they'll easily get out of order. So anyway, that's interaction, first interaction. And also, that's the second interaction right there in the nasal canal with who? The digestive system! It kind of sounds kind of weird because the digestive system actually is for eating, you know. Amazing. And then the other one's for breathing. So how do they react? Well, for starters, it's a quick, simple experiment you can do anytime you want. Step 1. For starters, hold your nose like this. Afterwards, grab some food. Big bite of it. Swallow it. Wait a couple minutes. Let go. You did not taste it. How is that? Did I just manage to break your system? You destroy your way of taste? You can never taste things again? No, because you managed to stop the airways from coming to your nose. Believe it or not, when we eat something, some of the gases actually do get hot. If you notice, if outside is hot, the inside of your mouth is much hotter than the outside. A lot, even a hot day in summer. So overall, this happens is this. Once you eat that, some of the chemicals go up in your nasal canal and react to the same receptors that you smell. It then detects you what you're eating to make it taste amazing. Well, besides that, interactions with the taste bud in your tongue, the nasal cavity actually does help a lot. So it'll help you determine what you're eating is tasty, good for you, or even already rotten or tastes bad. If that's why it tastes bad, it's usually not good for you whatsoever, or you just don't like it a lot and you have to deal with it. Because, you know, spinach, you still have to eat it. Mom says so. Thank you. So anyway, that's interactions down to the trachea, into the alveoli. Right there is where the amazing diffusion happens with the cardiovascular system. Thank you, cardiovascular system. Transporting oxygen from the outside back around the whole body so cellular respiration can happen. Thank you! So, what about the other guys? I mean, are they lonely? They don't react? Actually, they do. Rib cage, for starters, are made of part of the skeletal system. Thank you for them protection. So if I get hit here, lungs still work. They did not break. And the muscular system. Thank you for that. It allows me to move my chest. That way I could breathe in, because diaphragm is a muscle. So thank you. Thank you, muscular system, for that. What are the other ones? Lymphatic system. Actually, the lymphatic system does help a lot. Because when you're sick, the mucus does go here. It helps stop most of the particles so you won't keep getting sick. That way, that's stuff he knows. Usually it's because you gotta stop things coming into your body that are too dangerous. That's why all the mucus in your nose that you're sick, because it tries to catch your every dust, a lot of dust particles. Well, the urinary system, well, actually it's a big help. Why? Because it gets rid of the waste before it goes into the lungs. Before it goes into the lungs, most things that could easily happen is this. You could easily diffuse the waste into your alveolars and get stuck there and pretty much just builds up. So thanks to your urinary system, actually get rid of the waste before it reaches the lungs. That way, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about that you're slowly adding waste into your lungs and dying. So overall, did it cover all of them? Yes, that covers mostly all of the systems. So respiratory system, amazing guy. Yes, thank you for breathing. Interacts with every system. Of course it does. Otherwise, it'd be kind of pointless having it if it just didn't interact. It's like something I could think about. Well, who cares? This is Carlos Munoz talking in infromatinlessless. Thank you, Mighty Well channel. Theme song again. Mighty Well, Mighty Well. Thank for the Mighty Well. See ya later. Hey, subscribe. All right, so hello, welcome. Sorry. All right. Hey. Oops. I'm fine. Hello, welcome to.
You have no idea what you're gonna say.
Be quiet. Again. Hey.
Epic fail.